Tell me about a time when you improved a performance, resolved performance issues. So at Intel, I was working on an internal analytics web application, which was crucial for daily operations. So this is used by employees on daily basis for their data analysis tasks and finding bugs which happen during the manufacturing process so that they can fix quickly. Um, but however, recently the customers complained about slow load times and frequent crashes, which is impacting their productivity. Um, yeah, fixing this was crucial because it was used by many teams. So my task was to debug and fix the performance bottlenecks so that customers can rely on it and use it for their daily tasks. So I used profiling tools like Chrome Dev tools and also the APM tools that we have on our side to ident to find the issues. So I specifically measured the front end rendering times and also the back end performance and the queries that the backend is using. So I found two major issues in my analysis. One being inefficient database queries. So the backend, so the queries that the backend is was using had was inefficient due to lack of indexes, and I optimized these queries to and added indexes to improve its performance so that it reduces the latency of the API calls, and also added a caching layer on the backend so that I can add the frequently accessed data, which doesn't change that often. Um, and the second issue that I noticed is heavy client-side rendering. So there are some components on the front end which are trying to load huge amounts of data and overwhelming the system, which is causing crashes. So to prevent this, I added pagination to some of the components, which so that only the necessary data is loaded initially, and subsequent data can be loaded as needed. Additionally, I also implemented lazy loading to improve the initial page rendering times. So after making these improvements, we noticed a 50% reduction in the backend, 50% reduction in application load time, and also the customer issues resolved. Customers are able to validate that all these enhancements improved the performance. So this not only improved the application performance but also improved the overall throughput of the system, which contributed to the overall efficiency. So management appreciated me for quickly resolving this issue, and this reinforced my ability to recognizing the positive impact on system performance. Thank you.